Have you ever wondered how you can make your garden more wildlife-friendly? Well, you're not alone. Wildlife-friendly gardening is about promoting biodiversity and creating a healthier environment. It's a beautiful way to invite nature right into your backyard. Creating a wildlife-friendly garden is not as hard as it seems. Let's dive into the steps. The first step to creating a wildlife-friendly garden is planning. This involves deciding on the garden space and choosing native plants that thrive in your local conditions. Consider factors like sunlight, soil type, and local climate. With a good plan in place, you're ready to start setting up your garden. Setting up your garden is an exciting step where you start bringing your plan to life. It's time to plant your chosen flora, create cozy habitats like birdhouses or bee hotels, and ensure there are water sources for your wildlife guests. With your garden set up, you're almost there. But there's one more important step. The final step to having a wildlife-friendly garden is maintaining it. Regular watering, timely pruning, and keeping harmful chemicals at bay are key. These practices ensure your garden thrives, inviting diverse wildlife. And there you have it, your very own wildlife-friendly garden. Remember, every garden is a haven for wildlife, and your efforts make a difference. So, are you ready to invite nature into your garden? Embarking on this journey is not just a treat for your senses, but a contribution to our ecosystem. Creating a wildlife-friendly garden is a rewarding way to enjoy the fruits of your labor while aiding the environment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Keep growing and happy gardening!